All right, guys, so we're here with day five.
Build 5.
Build 5.
Build day 5.
Build day 5 of the community car day, or let's start over.
Build day 5.
Community car build day 5. Yeah, we got it. Nailed it. Aaron, what do we got going on?
Okay, so the plan for today is we are going to put a bunch of cool audio stuff in Darth. Head unit is going in, along with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive screen on the windshield, which is going to be cool. And we're going to do a big 12-inch subwoofer with an amp. And then I've got a couple other small little things that we're going to put on to tidy up the exterior. Fog lights, new lug nuts. As you can see, we already got the new wheels on it. Wheels look really good, like very, very, like just perfect for the truck.
Is there anything else?
No.
Later? You want to talk?
Actually, you know what?
We'll wait.
We'll wait.
Right.
You know what we're going to do? We're going to wait.
So stick around. There's a couple surprises here in a little bit. Let's get started.
Put those in here and just get it on. Let me tell you that. Oh yeah, you do those lights, and then I'll get you and Larry another one. Use them like a new set of lug nuts. Yes, sir.
Aaron says he has a surprise, but he keeps walking away and helping people. So I have no idea, but I'm kind of excited. See you later. It's over there. Helping. He just left. What's the surprise?
Good job, Neil. It's good, man.
Thank you, sir.
It's really nice. We'd only put it in if you hurt yourself. We'll get it in time.
Okay, so first of all, I can't thank you all enough for always helping out with the build. I have 3 MVWs. Most valuable wingman. I've got 3 to give out. One of these is going to our friend Mr. Larry here.
Hey, Larry!
Let me tell you why. You guys know why, but let me tell you why anyway for the video. Larry went above and beyond to go to a junkyard, pull the new fender for us and the hood for Darth, and he also took the old fender home and painted it. The truck would not look nearly as good as it does without Larry's help. Thank you, Larry.
Thank you. Good job.
These 2 are for Zach and Mitch.
Yeah!
I know I've mentioned it in past videos. There's a lot that goes on behind the scenes with the community car build. There's like, I just don't have enough time to do it all myself. These 2 guys were instrumental not only with getting a lot of the lift ready for us to actually make it like work and like have a successful day, but also with helping me with pre-wiring everything so that today we can kind of just do a plug and play. So thank you guys all so much.
Good job, guys.
All right.
Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. That is awesome.
Great color. Yes.
I have a thing for red. 2 other things, real quick. Ready?
Woo!
Hey!
Nice.
Zach was here when we figured this out. We were cleaning out the truck, getting everything ready for the wiring inside, and I am not kidding. We found this inside Darth. It was meant to be. It's a red lightsaber. I mean, this is what Darth would have. It was in the glove box. It's staying with the truck. I mean,
$25 could win you a truck and a lightsaber.
All right,
All right, that's dope. We gotta get back to work.
So, all the angles.
All the angles, even through the back window.
I didn't know you knew how to read. You want another dad joke? Why does Waldo wear stripes?
Why?
Because he doesn't want to be spotted.
All right, that's gonna wrap it up for us for tonight. Aaron, what got happening tonight?
What
wow,
got
it's
happening?
late.
So here's what got happening. No, leave it in bloopers. Blooper reel.
Right.
So what got happening was tonight was we wired up the fog lights. We got the new wheel lug nuts on. We got the head unit in. We got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto screen on the windshield. Zach was the madman. He got the sub all fully wired up and in there. Russell took care of the head unit, and everybody else just jumped in where they could. It looks awesome. I love it. The sub sounds amazing. The whole truck really came together. This is the moment. Don't forget to look at the exhaust. It looks awesome. And we got the new wheels. Yeah, it's Darth Ranger is alive and well, everybody.
Nice work.
Nice work to everybody. You all did.
Yeah, good job, everybody. This truck is so cool. It really is. So, speaking of the truck being so cool, how can someone actually win this truck?
Okay, here's how the scavenger hunt works. You buy into it. It's 25 bucks. And on the day of the hunt, which is November 17th at 9 a.m., everybody who's purchased a scavenger hunt entry gets the first scavenger hunt clue in their email at 9 a.m. Okay. And then at that point, you got to decipher the clue, which will take you to another clue somewhere in Northeast Ohio, which there'll be another clue there, which takes you somewhere else. Last year's event, scavenger hunt, was awesome. It was a lot of fun. I got a lot of great feedback about it just being a good time. People were upset, yeah, they didn't get the car, but like they just had more fun doing the hunt. So I have a YouTube video out that kind of goes through everything we did for that one. That's a good precursor to like what you should expect. Only this one's gonna be more. That's it.
So make sure you head over to wingmangarage.com, click on the community car build, the little tab, fill out your data. 25 bucks gets you an entry.
Yep. 17th.
The 17th of November. Make sure you head over to Wingman on YouTube.
Wingman Garage, can't miss it.
Make sure you're subscribed. Definitely follow Wingman Garage and Good Morning Mechanic on Instagram, Facebook. I don't have a TikTok. Do you have a TikTok?
I do.
Yeah, what's your TikTok?
Wingman Garage.
Wingman Garage on TikTok. All right, thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good morning.